A miraculous rescue operation. Nepali Sherpa saves a Malaysian climber. Nepali Sherpa saves a climber from Everest death zone. A Malaysian climber was miraculously saved from the death zone of Mount Everest in a very rare rescue. Gelje Sherpa, 30, was guiding a Chinese client to the 8,849-meter Everest summit on May 18 when he saw the Malaysian climber clinging to a rope and shivering from extreme cold in the area called the death zone, where temperatures can dip to minus 30 degrees Celsius or lower. Nepali Sherpa guide hauled him down from below the summit of Mount Everest, thereby rescuing him. Gelje hauled the climber 600 meters down from the balcony to the South Col over a period of about 6 hours, when Nima Tashi Sherpa, another guide, joined the rescue. The Sherpa and the other guide wrapped the climber in a sleeping mat, dragged him on the snow or carried him in turns on their backs to Camp 3. A helicopter using a long line lifted the climber from the 7,162-meter high Camp 3 down to base camp. It is almost impossible to rescue climbers at that altitude, said an official from the Department of Tourism. It is a very rare operation. Gelje said he persuaded his Chinese client to give up his summit attempt and descend the mountain, saying it was important for him to rescue the climber. Saving one life is more important than praying at the monastery, said Gelje, a devout Buddhist. Takshi Lakpa Sherpa of the 7 Summit Treks company, which provided logistics to the Malaysian climber, declined to name him, citing his client's privacy. The climber was put on a flight to Malaysia last week. Nepal issued a record 478 permits for Everest during this year's March to May climbing season. At least 12 climbers have died, the highest number for 8 years, and another 5 are still missing on Everest slopes. A second Malaysian, 33-year-old Muhammad Hawari Hashim, who was on the same expedition as Awang Iskandar, reached the summit but was reported missing the next day on May 19. He has yet to be found despite drones being used to try and locate him. What did you guys think about the miraculous save? Do let us know in the comments section below.